I'm going to show you this beautiful Isuzu NQR. It's good if you want to make a flatbed or dump truck, tow truck. And let's get started. 2018 Isuzu NQR. It had an 18-foot reefer box on it, and it has 192,000 miles. No check engine light, no oil leaks, everything is running. It has DEF system. It's legal in California, and as you can see, it is 17,950 GVW. So if the weight of the truck, let's say, is about 8,000, you got another 10,000 pounds that you can carry on this thing. I have it in Palmdale, California. I did some suspension work, so I changed the kingpins. Cost me about $1,000, and as you can see, the interior is nice. So I'm going to be installing new tires, brand new tires, steer tires in the front. And it has no oil leaks, and I will show you right here. I need to show you. So if there's anything wet, that's going to be water from the condenser for the AC. I don't know if you can. Here, I'm going to go on the other side so you can see everything. Right here. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna show you the measurements of the wheelbase, axle to axle, and also from the cab to axle measurements, in case that helps you when you are thinking about what you want to put on this truck. Also, I work with Soto Welding here in Bakersfield, and I just picked up the truck from them because they bought the box from me. So if you would like, they can install anything you would like on this truck. If you would like to make a dump truck or a tow truck, flatbed truck, the AC is running. It's nice and cold. 192,000 miles. And as you can see, it started right away. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the engine. I'm in Palmdale, California, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.